Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily import products from other websites to your Shopify store, whether you are dropshipping or sourcing products from a third-party supplier. This guide will help you get your products listed in no time. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what we are doing here. You can import products into Shopify in a few ways through CSV files, third-party apps like uh, apps, or even directly from suppliers like Oberlo or for dropshipping. In this video, we'll cover the easiest way to using apps and how you can bulk import products directly into your Shopify store. First of all, let's pick a product importing app from the Shopify App Store. To do this, go to your Shopify admin panel and click on Apps, then Shopify App Store, then search for apps like Oberlo, which are popular for importing products from suppliers to your Shopify store. These apps allow you to browse products from different suppliers and import them with just a few clicks. Once you have chosen your app, go ahead and click on the app like this search from here, then click install it. Follow the prompts to connect it to your Shopify store. Once installed, open the app and you will typically be asked to create an account with the app provider. This will allow you to start browsing and importing products. Now comes the fun part, finding products to import. Let's say you are using Overlo or Desserts. You can browse through a list of trending products. So search for specific item before create an account, enter email and create a password. I'm using temporary email for this tutorial. Click copy and paste here and add password like that and get it started. Then click confirm. Then click free, get it started. Now choose AliExpress and login. Once you are in, search for a specific product, then simply click add to import list. You can also filter results based on product type, price, and more. Once your products are in your import list, you will want to make sure they match your store's branding and voice. Click edit on each product to adjust the title, description, and images. Always write your own product descriptions to make them unique and SEO friendly. This will help you store rank higher in search engines. You can also edit prices and set profit margins here. Don't forget to check the shipping options too. Once everything is set up, it's time to import your products to your Shopify store. Click Post to Shopify or Import to a store, depending on the app. The app will transfer the products from the import list directly into your Shopify product catalog. Once they are in your Shopify store, you can manage them just like any other product. If you are dropshipping or working with a supplier, you can automate the process of product imports. In apps like Overlow or Desserts, you can enable auto syncing. This means anytime a supplier adds new products to changes prices, your Shopify store will automatically update to reflect those changes. And that there you have it. If this guide was help you, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.